Peace and love, y'all. What's going on? Stevie Zenith here. Today I want to talk about something that some entrepreneurs are fortunate enough to experience, and that is selling your actual business. All right. So quick backstory on us and what we've been able to do in our business. About a year and a half ago, we created a Shopify store. Shopify store ended up taking off. We ended up doing over $200,000 in 10 months time. Yes, that's right. 10 months time, right? After those 10 months, we were blessed enough to have the opportunity to actually sell our store, right? So back in May, we ended up selling our store to a buyer, right? And used those funds, reinvested those funds into a new company that we've just started, okay? So that's a little backstory, but I'm telling you that to open up this topic. It's a topic that, some people don't really know about, don't really know too much about, and they've been put in a situation where they can actually sell their business. So these are 3 things to consider before actually going forward and selling your business, because it's a big decision, So the first thing you want to consider when you're actually going forward and, trying to sell your business is this business something I'm using just for a quick flip? Do I just want to quickly flip this store, get it out the way? Am I a serial entrepreneur? Do I just want to just flip this store real quick? Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is this a company that can feed not only my kids, but my kids' kids and my children's children's children? Is this something that can create generational wealth for you? That's one thing to consider before actually pulling the trigger and selling your business. Because if it is something that can be that cash cow for your family, for future generations, you really want to consider not selling it, because you're good after that. There's very few times in life where you have opportunities such as a gold mine sitting on your lap. So sometimes it's best not to get rid of them. Okay. And the last thing you want to consider is do you have an action plan if you do end up selling your business? Do you have an action plan that that's going to allow you to invest in other businesses? Or is it a situation where you don't have anything else going on, you see a 6-figure offer for your business and you're like, yeah, I'll take it, but I don't have anything, I don't have any backup plans, I don't know exactly what I want to do with that money, but yeah, I'll sell the business. Definitely have a plan in place if you're going to sell your business. Like us, we sold our business and we ended up creating a new agency out of it that's going to create even more money. We invested some into our music as well. So definitely have a plan of action if you're going to sell your business. Have that exit strategy in place. Move with purpose. That's my advice to you if you're blessed enough to be in the situation to actually sell your business, y'all. All right, so much more to come later on, but I'm out for now. Peace and love.